In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watchers to tasks in ClickUp 2026 Guide. Watchers are a simple way to keep the right people in the loop without assigning them the work. Think of an assignee as the person responsible for completing the task, while a watcher just gets notified about changes, comments, and updates. This is perfect for project managers, stakeholders, or anyone who needs visibility, not ownership. Let's start from the list view. Open your workspace and navigate to the list that contains your task. Locate the task you want to work with, say a task like review, and select it so it's highlighted. When a task is selected in list view, you'll see an action bar appear at the top. Look for the option to set watchers. Click it, search for the teammates you want to add, and select them. That's it. You've added watchers right from the list. If you ever need to adjust who's watching, just select the task again and use the same option to add or remove people. This method is fast and great when you're already scanning tasks in a list. Now let's look at the second method, from inside the task. Click the task name to open its details. In the upper right corner, you'll see a bell or notification icon. This area shows who will be notified about activity on the task. Click the bell to watch or unwatch the task for yourself, and use the same panel to add other teammates as watchers. You'll see the count of people who will be notified, and you can add or remove names right there. One helpful note: the current assignee is always a watcher by default, so assigning someone to the task automatically keeps them in the loop. A quick best practice: keep one clear assignee whenever possible, so responsibility is obvious. Then add watchers for visibility. Use watchers for leaders who want updates, cross-functional partners who depend on the outcome, or anyone mentoring or reviewing the work. And if notifications feel noisy for someone, they can unwatch from the same bell icon at any time. To recap, you have two easy options. From the list view, select the task and choose Set Watchers from the top bar, or open the task and use the bell icon in the top right to watch, unwatch, and add teammates as watchers. Both approaches get you to the same place: consistent, automatic updates for the people who need them, without changing who's actually responsible for the work. That's how to add watchers to tasks in ClickUp. Try both methods and use the one that fits your workflow best.